following counties in Illinois: Clark, Coles, Douglas, and Edgar. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Oh, shit.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 62 remains in effect until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Clark, Coles, Douglas, and Edgar. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards, station KXI 47 in Paris. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Paris and vicinity. Tonight, rain and chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then chance of rain and slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight.
I will show you the radar in a minute.
Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts.
So yeah, found out on Wednesday. My Doppler radar was down for 8 days due to doing some scheduled maintenance. Show you. This is my hot spot before the beans grow. And yes, I do show respect to the farmers. There. Show you my Doppler radar. Oh, it's a big one. They can't see that very well. And boogity. Oh, we got a severe thunderstorm warning. It ain't for me.
Thursday night, clear. Highs in the mid-40s. Lows in the upper 20s. Friday and Friday night, mostly clear.
Bristol is
Highs
rained
in the
out.
mid-50s. Lows in the upper 30s.
Dirt race.
Saturday, warmer, sunny.
Two
Highs in the mid-60s. Again, the forecast for Paris and vicinity for tonight. Rain and chance of thunderstorms in the evening. Then chance of rain and slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the lower 40s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts to around 20 miles an hour, becoming northwest 10 to 20 miles an hour with gusts to around 30 miles an hour after midnight. Chance of precipitation at 8%.
Tonight.
Here is a look at flooding along the Wabash River and the 6 a.m. forecast for the next 3 days. A flood warning remains in effect for the Wabash River at Terre Haute. Flood
This is
stage
going
is
to be a long
16.5
video
feet.
because
The river stage was 14.3 feet at 7 a.m.
I'm planning
Saturday.
on
The 6 a.m. forecast for Terre Haute is 16.2 feet for Sunday, 17.8 feet for Monday, and 18.5 feet for
weather
Tuesday.
radio.
A flood warning remains in effect for the Wabash River at Hudsonville. Flood stage is 16 feet.
Yep.
The river stage was not available. The 6 a.m. for Southern Coles County, Southeastern Shelby County, Cumberland County until 9 p.m. At 8:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Stewartson, or 9 miles north of Effingham, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations of southeastern Shelby County, Cumberland County, until 9 p.m. At 8:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Leoga, or 10 miles west of Toledo, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Toledo around 8:30 p.m. Greenup and Janesville around 8:35 p.m. Casey around 8:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Trowbridge, Etna,
I already know about this tornado warning.
Union Center, and Strasburg.
I should get it
This
shortly.
includes the following highways: Interstate 57 between mile markers 168 and 182. Interstate 70 between mile markers 112 and 126. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Coles County, southeastern Shelby County, Cumberland County, until 9 p.m. At 8:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Stewart.
Where the heck is a
moving
meteorologist?
east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and maple-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Charleston, Mattoon, Toledo, Casey, Neoga, Greenup, Ashmore, Stewartson, Lerna, Janesville, Paradise, Hutton, Strasburg, Sigel, Trowbridge, Etna, Fox Ridge State Park.
There's probably a severe thunderstorm warning.
Jumping up and down and
National Weather Service in Lincoln has thunderstorm warning for Clark County until 9:30 p.m.
Yep, I knew it.
At 8:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Casey, or 12 miles east of Toledo, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and maple-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marshall, Casey, Martinsville, Westfield, Clarksville, Denison, West Union, Darwin, Orange and Lincoln Trail State Park. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 127 and 154. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect.